This is a wood-burning kit from WLIWBK. It's designed to decorate various types of wood, leather, cork, etc. Everything is packed in a hard plastic case with an insert for organizing bits. The 25-watt short-barrel wood-burning iron has a dual-component handle. The collar prevents from slipping fingers on the hot metal surface. It assures a firm grip and helps to isolate the hand from a heating element. A metal heat deflector keeps the heat away from your hand, allowing a comfortable wood-burning experience. The set includes 10 interchangeable brass tips and stamps, a blade with a dedicated mounting collet, a foldable stand, and 8 printed designs with various motifs. For more details, check tme.eu.